Today we're gonna be making slime, and I really did it. So I just made these in my friend's channel. Go check it out. It's called FR. What is your channel's name? What is this?
My channel name Yum Yum.
Yum Yum. So her channel's name is Yum Yum because she's a copycat. My channel's name is Yum Yum. So she's 2 Yum Yums and I'm 1 Yum. She's 2 Yum Yums and 3 Yum Yums. Copycat. This is good slime, so I'm gonna do the last slime, guys, with you. So okay, and I made like 5 slimes because she's like,
yeah, but mine's I put it here in a cute cup.
Yeah, 'cause she's so annoying. She doesn't want to give me 1 cup. Oh, because my mom's here. So, like, I thought she wouldn't do this video with me, but she's super nice now, and we'll do it. Yeah, Farah. Yeah, we'll do it. So we're gonna add some glue, guys, and come back.
Guys, I said, so guys, Ruba's real name, her Yum Yum real name, her name is Roba. And I am her cousin. I'm her best friend, actually. My name is Farah. Yes, she's coming by. Guys, not by Yani. Actually, I'm gonna close, then I open when she comes.
So we're now mixing it.
We need Vaseline, guys.
So guys, can you please film me? And I'm gonna film you mix, okay? Good job, now film me, please. I'm gonna like do it very fast. So we're becoming slime, yeah?
Yeah, but we
so don't add
need
lots of tide, okay?
Tide.
Yes.
Yeah, so here our slime that we made.
So, I forgot. If we want to add like any color, we can add it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick green. That's the right color, isn't it?
Green?
Yes, I'm gonna add green, guys. So this is glitter green. So yeah. So
I'm gonna stop actually.
What?
Guys, when we put the color, I'm gonna film. My color is... I'm gonna pick one. You will see. Guess what?
So guys, we're done mixing. So mine doesn't look like green. And her is... Oh no, I want it! Hers is the best color. Yes, nice color. Yes. Oh, so lucky. I'm gonna add like her. Close this fucking camera! Close the camera! I'm gonna add the same.
Oh my gosh. That's so wonderful.
Oh! So now I can't like eat food now. So guys, I'm just gonna mix it in cup. So that looks so cool, but my hand is So Farah is now like just adding some. My friend is just adding some. And we added some glitter, guys. So if you want to add some glitter, it's okay.
Guys, if you like this color, just like the video.
I'm going crazy today, aren't I? Okay. So, yeah.
Now we're gonna activate our slimes.
Yes.
I'm gonna activate.
Look, we left it. We have lots of left, guys. So now we're gonna add some. I'm just gonna like scoop this. That didn't happen. Just didn't do it. That didn't just happen, isn't it? No. Okay. Farah is becoming slime. So we're gonna come back, guys, and make slime. That's being if we didn't check our slime shops, we have like all the kind of slime we have. So this one we made it, but of course we made this so small. It's so pokey.
It's so stretchy, guys.
Yes. Okay, so we made this a slime, guys, but the only thing we didn't like, it's not the same because the other one is like so big and it doesn't show the colors, but we did this. So we just wanted like company to make it like that. Okay, guys, company. See how we wanted to make it? That's how we wanted to make it.
Yeah. We want it small.
Yeah,
guys, don't
and
try it in
also
the
we
comments.
did.
Guys, Let them bake. Let them bake. We don't wanna like this. We love
don't
only
like-
small. Yeah, the big one is so thick and big and.
Yeah, but actually the company said it will never make a small one because I wanted it to like be like this one and this one and this one, like a rainbow slime. But the company didn't agree and wanted me to make it bigger, but I didn't want to make it bigger, so they're gonna make it like bigger. It's so mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
We really want it to be small because we wanted it to like, guys, like put this here and here, like 3 kinds of slime in the package. But worst company ever. And that wouldn't be like expensive. Yeah?
Yeah. That's so cool. That's the coolest slime. That
Watermelon slime. So let's
guys.
make the next slime, Charlie.
Guys, guys, the
What?
it's we the name of the slime is watermelon because it's scented. The colors, it's scented.
Scented, I forget we added. And there is green glitter also.
Yeah.
But you can see it in the camera. So let me show it to
Warning,
you
don't
guys.
eat that.
It's warning. See how big it is now. See how big it is. That's how big the company will make it, but that's how, do you want to see how really small we did it? That's how small we did it.
Yeah. So guys, now we'll make another one.
Let's make it. It's gonna shoot me. Oh my gosh, I saw the room. Camera from the camera.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes!
No.
Same slime.
No.
So we can add the slime.
No. No. I'm gonna add it now.
Can I please add like you after you finish? So I'm gonna add Vaseline and stuff. Guys, I'm gonna add some lotion and she's gonna add it then. She doesn't really want us to. So.
I wanna add lotion. Okay.
Now you wanna add lotion.
Guys, you have to watch this.
That's amazing.
Whoa.
How dare you say that in front of my video? When I don't have any subscribers, and now when they watch it, they're gonna say, just so wrong. Roba has like 1 million people watches her video. No, that really and I lost it too. I told them actually I wanted to sabotage it.
And I hear.
Yeah, and I heard it too, saying like something. I'm gonna try this. Yes, so just like. So I'm not gonna show her.
Oh.
Stop that.
I'm not sure.
Seriously?
She will really be an.
Hi.
Right?
بس النهارده يوم العربي.
بجد؟
عندنا في المدرسة يوم العربي. لغتي ما أوحشها لغتي العربية. أكتب حرف أغني إنجليزية أغنية إنجليزية. أكتب كل كلمات الإنجليزية. لغتي ما أوحشها لغتي العربية. لغتي أقرأ أريد أن أكون في أمريكا. I'm just kidding. Of course I love it. عشان هي لغة القرآن. Would you rather be Muslim or Christian?
Muslim.
why.
كده
If you were like, if you didn't know what
عشان ما راحش النار.
بس عشان كده مش عشان ربنا يحبك.
أكيد يعني. Yours are so good. Mine is not. So mix it.
I added much lotion.
Me?
No, me. Oh, this was open the whole time, guys. We're sorry. Sorry if we made it you wait longer. So skip this to 10:14, and you're gonna find the slime, okay? Sorry, guys. I filmed all this stupid stuff. Yes.
She was singing an Arabic song in the school.
Yeah.
And just saying things about her family.
No, oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna delete this part.
You can't.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I'm not deleting it. So skip this to 10:24.
No, guys, don't
Skip this to 10:24
Don't skip
if
this.
you wanna see the slimes.
Don't skip
10:24. But it was really weird. I was like, لغتي لغتي ما أوحشها لغتي. So okay. So guys, I have I'm not really Christian or Jewish. I'm Muslim.
We are Muslims.
Yes. And of course we love English,
Yeah.
but we don't love to be Christians. Definitely. All we do is like we want to travel Britain, but we are in America, not Britain. So that's why. Okay, so guys, that's kind of weird because you're gonna say, how did you find this in America? Yeah, I found it at a very like store that nobody buys in it anything. So I said, maybe it has nobody wants to buy it. Because he was like looking like an old. Actually, like nobody was buying there anything. Only Indians, the people.
Indians.
Yeah, I said they were Indians. Like they're saying Hindi, bacha, Hindi, bacha. So this is baby blue slime that we're gonna give away.
No, we did it. You give yours.
Why?
I'm not giving mine.
The company will do it, so we have to take this. The company will like. I don't know how to do it. I forgot to close the camera, guys. Seriously.
Guys, she was singing.
Do you want me to do it again? لغتي لغتي ما أوحشها لغتي العربية أكتب حرفي أغني أغنية إنجليزية لغتي لغتي ما أوحشها لغتي العربية. This is the North Gate.